Welcome. So in front of me I have a 3-in-1 foldable magnetic wireless charger / stand for basically all things Apple. That's kind of why I have plethora of different Apple things right here. So I'll just kind of do an unboxing right here along with just a demonstration of this just to see how it works. So it does come with a nice pouch. It looks like carbon fiber, though probably is not. And in here we got our weighty little charger. Looks like it folds up pretty nicely, so you can see it does have a nice little fold right here. And let's just, I guess, open it up. So it would go something like this, I assume. Okay. So now this does have a MagSafe mounting right here. So this won't really work with a case, I assume. Let's try it again. Oh, there we go. It slaps in here, no problem. Let's plug it in actually. So this is surprisingly using a Type-C plug. I will be plugging it into my computer, so I don't know how good that will be, considering obviously through a USB port this will give me like 5 watts. So it could be not enough, but we'll see if it does anything. Computer did detect it, which is surprising. And it is charging, look at that. So apart from it's charging obviously the phone, we have also a charging port for a watch. Well, that's probably not something that's supposed to happen. There we go. Put that back on. So I guess I'm just gonna flip it out. There we go. So the watch trying to show it if it's charging or not. And it is, which you can see right now. Now it could be that it won't be charging all the devices at once, just because, like I said, this is 5 watts right now. It's meant to be plugged into an actual charger, not computer like I am doing it. So I am kind of gimping it. Anyway, under it, if I flip it over, you can see we do also have a charger for buds. And it just blinked for a moment. There we go. So it's not charging at the moment. Come on, it did charge for a brief second. Yeah, let's grab this cable. Hopefully Samsung won't be mad. There we go. And it's charging, which you can see right now. So from there, I just kind of do this and this, and let's see if it charges literally everything. And this. Okay, so I believe it's charging everything. Yep, so it's charging the watch, the buds, and the phone. Now, obviously, if I try to show you, half of the things will kind of fall off, but you can see that it is charging right here. Take that off. Oh, the buds stopped charging for some reason. Oh, there we go. Again. So yeah, it does require a little bit of fiddling around for it to get to charge, but it is working. And obviously, in terms of like how it holds the devices, all of them, it is pretty nice and sleek. Has a nice robust build. So if I take everything off, this isn't moving easily. So you can see that it does require a little bit of force. And then at the end of the day, we also have a nice carrying pouch for this, so you can take it the go with you. And we also have a little bit more space for cables and other accessories in here with a hard little pouch. So there we go. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.